Hello everyone, hope you're doing well. Just want to do a quick check-in video. Be sure to complete week three's review questions. A couple of you hadn't done this yet. Make sure you get that done. So far so good. Everyone's doing a really good job on these questions. Remember, you can take them twice. So if you run into a situation where you want to take it again just to do a little bit better job or study, just reach out to me. I'm happy to open it up again. They're meant for review. They're not meant for like a test. So that's why we're able to do that. In relation to this week, I had already opened the chapter, of course. It's your legal research chapter, your legal research paper that you need to start working on. So take a look at the material and be sure to go over it. I'm sure a lot of you have already looked at it, so when you open up the material, it's helpful tools regarding APA. So be sure to look at these tools. If you have questions, you can throw it in the APA tips section or questions, and I'm happy to answer there, or you can reach out to me directly. But of course, you have a video, some sample papers here that you need to review, and then some helpful tools. I would start working on the APA paper as soon as possible because the due date will sneak up on you. And the due date, of course, is open the course schedule really quick. The due date for your legal research project is due at the end of the month next month, so 2/28. That's when, of course, that chapter starts or that week starts, but it's due on the 6th of March. So a lot of people will submit it before then, which is fine. So to get started on it now is the point. Review the material. If you have questions, let me know. I'm happy to review once you start writing your APA format to make sure that everything lines up. Again, you have a sample paper which you can use. Let me pull that up really quickly. This is a 6th edition sample paper, so there will be some changes, like you don't need this running head piece. However, the great thing about this is it's already formatted, so just put your information in here and then send it off to me so I can take a look and you're set. So I think overall you're going to have the material that you need to be successful in the legal research project right in front of you, and I think you'll do a good job. If you have any questions, please reach out. I'm happy to help in any capacity that I can. Have a great week. Thanks for all you're doing.